I remember the first time I got up really high on a rope. It was such an amazing feeling. Like I was part of this beautiful landscape, not just an observer. And that's what got me hooked on climbing. Climbing is this vehicle to get out into the wilderness. To be able to connect with these wild places, it's a gift. And I'm so grateful to my body for being strong enough to take me there. Before climbing, I was in a lot of male-dominated sports, but it fostered this false pressure and competition amongst the women. This idea had been taught to me. There could only be one cool girl, you know? The one who was less sensitive and could just be one of the boys. It could be really lonely at times. So when I met a handful of women that were willing to be bold and to learn together, it was this beautiful relationship I hadn't experienced before, and I wanted more of it. What I've learned from things like starting the first women's climbing festival is that we're stronger together. Women power women power women. When women support each other, we all benefit from it. Not just the women, but our entire community. I think sometimes things like climbing can feel out of reach. I've heard people say, I can never do that, or I'm not good enough. Look, I'm not a professional athlete, but I'm out here climbing on my own terms. I hope what I'm doing inspires women to get out there and challenge themselves. I'm Shelma Jun, and I am a woman of adventure.